So I got one duck egg right here. So put that over there. We'll look in the box and see what we have. What's in the box? Oh, there's one. There's one. Not that big, but edible. This is a wooden egg. The reason why I keep that in there, if you can see, there's some chickens in there. Keep the wood egg in there so they keep on laying in this spot. Keep on finding. I'm gonna have to get another egg to put it in that box. So we've got one chicken egg, one duck egg. All right. It's in this box. Oh, there's another one. Not that big again, but yet again, it's another egg. Look at that. So we got two eggs, two chicken eggs, and a duck egg. And then we'll go in here and we'll see who's in here. Oh, look at them all. These are all my friends. Oh, look at, there's even a duck in here. I just cleaned this out. You can see, got quite a few chickens. The duck is Cletus. This is Fuzzball. There's Larry's brothers. Rest in peace, Larry. We haven't named the white chickens. There's a barred rock right there. Oh, there's one of the new chickens I got right there. He doesn't roost a whole lot. He just kind of grunts, like my dog. Oh, there's this guy. He's a bantam. Cindy calls him the fuzzy feet, because if you can look, he's got fuzzy feet. That's Stripes. Right there, she's not very stripy anymore. And then we'll go out here. I got little water jugs for them in here. It's pretty hot. They're all going out there, so we'll exit here. But we got two chicken eggs out there. I usually get 2 to 3 eggs a day, but they're not very big. But that's all right. The last few that we got were pretty big. So we'll go over here. This is going to be kind of a long video. Alright, so I'll introduce you to these guys. Right here, this is Thanks. Right here, this is Thanks. Or no, this is Giving, and that's Thanks. Right here. That's it. If you see this guy, it's a pretty good looking bird. He's getting big. She, on the other hand, is just normal size. He's gotten kind of big. He's ruffling up his feathers. There's other turkeys in the other coop. What are you doing? Say hi. Make you famous. What do you do? Oh, look, he's getting really red now. That means he's getting pissed off. He doesn't like to be filmed, but this will get real dark. I call it the giblets. Hey, get off my watch. But see how dark red it's getting now? It used to be really light. It means he's kind of getting irritated, so we'll move away from him. And then these are the geese. These are the geese. Come here, Heart. This one in front is Heart, for the little girl that didn't want to sell them, but her mom made them. And then this is Soul over there looking at me. And then that's the mean white goose. I call him Meanie. Come here, Meanie. Come here, Meanie Pants. And then I just filled their water and it's dirty already. So they swim around in the pool. Oh, we got a pool party going on in the other pen. They're cleaning themselves. Oh. So we'll move over to the other pen. Oh, he's strutting stuff. There you can really see the color on his head now. It gets really blue and red. Move away. Trying to catch some shade over here by the gate. Alright, here we go. This is the tricky part, trying to get them in there. Get in there. Get. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. So here's more turkeys. These guys, they will be a main course somewhere. Here's a pool party. What? I'm not invited to this pool party? Okay, I just filled that water and look how dirty. These ducks. Ducks are like pigs. You know, they're pretty cool to look at, but they're dirty. They're dirty. That one's Hercules. And Cletus is over there. Those are my ducks. All these Pekin ducks are Cindy's dad's ducks. And then there's some of his white chickens, his leghorns. And then here's all our chickens. That's another Fancy Feet right there. Fancy Feet right there. And then this one is the one I bought at the fair. I named him Maverick. And then Humphrey is that one right there. Uh-oh, we got a fight over there. We're getting a fight over there. There's enough pool for everyone, friends. Everybody's trying to catch some shade. You can see them down in there trying to catch some shade. Got these little dog houses in case the weather gets bad, but nobody's been using them. I think the turkey's been going in there looking for food. There's the turkeys right here. These are brown-breasted turkeys. That's why he's getting all in a fancy, because I think all of these are male, except for maybe this one right here. I think that one might be a female. Those might be males, just because their head's turning blue and they get. That's Maverick. This one came from the batch when Larry was. So did Humphrey back over there. There's some more over there. I got that one from the fair. That one, black one back there. Yeah, got that one from the fair. He's really tiny, but he's still a rooster. They seem to be getting along. There's no bloodshed. So, and then I lay. Knock it off, Maverick. I lay sawdust in the back there. That's where they like to lay. That gives them some comfort back there. This is always wet because the ducks are always in the water. Constantly. Constantly in the water. Maverick. And then here's the grainage. You gotta shake it. Get some of that grain down in there. Uh-oh. There's the meanie. Look at the meanie. What are you doing, meanie? What are you doing? Well, there's Heart and Soul hugging each other. Alright, I'm gonna have to fill this up. I just filled this up to about here, and that's how much they've eaten. There's a lot. The ducks are pigs. Cletus and Hercules are Rowan ducks. All these white ducks are Pekin. I think this one that's floating in the pool, I think that's mixed with a little bit of runner, because he's smaller than all the other white ducks, and he stands up straight up like a runner. So he might be crossbred with a Pekin and a runner. But you can see him getting all dirty. This is how they dirty the pool. See, this is a clean pool. That's a dirty pool, because that's all they do. Those guys are getting some water. But there's the chickens. I fed them all kinds of mealworms, but they pretty much ate them all. What are you doing, huh? You want to be on YouTube? Huh? Come here, turkey. That one's an Americana that ran in there. This, a Rhode Island Blue, I think these are. They were the last pick of the litter. This one and wherever the other one is. They were the last pick of the litter at work, and I picked them up. Oh, there's the other one over there. I picked them up from work because nobody wanted them. So, I picked them up. And then this is Onyx. That's Cindy's favorite, Onyx right there. Pretty much the king of the roost over there. But Humphrey, Brooklyn named that one Humphrey. She's pretty big. That's got to be a female. Who's laying the eggs? I think it's the Americanas that are laying the eggs, because they've got a bluish green tint. Most of these will either lay. Uh-oh. Most of these other ones will lay brown or white eggs. So I think the Americanas have come around. There is a couple roosters. Oh, there it is. There's that one. I got that one from the fair. He was in the cage. Stop it. He was in the cage. And then the people said they had another one just like him. So we picked up those two. I didn't really want them, but they were friends. Knock it off. So there you go. Everybody's catching some shade. That's the end of that one. So have a great day. Take care of your chickens. Make sure everybody has pool parties. And catch you on the next one.